Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. And of course, if you're a Windows 10 user and you would like to go or upgrade into Windows 11, you can just go into your settings and do it right now for free. Of course, the upgrade will not delete any personal files or apps or documents from your PC, so don't worry about this side. And of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. Maybe you would like to do that if you're facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen, or if you just like the Windows 10 much better, but I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you'll like it as much or even more. Of course, as we said, we would like to backup. You can call the backup, or you can you can call the Windows, going from Windows 11 back into 10 and backup, or you just did an upgrade or an update and you would like to backup. So simply, all we need to do is just go and open your settings, and of course, you can open it with My Way, which is the Windows I shortcut, who works in Windows. And of course, you can just go and open it with your regular way, however you open it. Once you are here, go into find the setting here and simply type recovery. Once you do that, make sure to select this recovery options. And once you are here, and of course, if you did not delete any recovery points, you will not, or you will find this option, which is go back available. For me, it's not available because I actually deleted my recovery points because I will never want to go back into Windows 10. And of course, if you never delete any recovery point, you will have the option of going back into your previous version or whatever you was on. And of course, if you want to go back or backup, simply click at go back if you have it available and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.